Hey, it's Todd with TLF Works. I bought a new guitar amp. Stick around, I'll tell you all about it. Hi, it's Todd with TLF Work, and yep, you heard right, I've got a guitar amp. I don't play guitar. I'm gonna learn to play guitar. So I've bought this small little practice amp, and I've bought a kit, a guitar kit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to unbox this today. I'm gonna put that guitar kit together and get somebody to demo it for me a little bit. And then I'm gonna put out a couple of videos, woodworking related videos, where I go out there and customize that guitar kit. I'm gonna be finishing the neck, doing stuff with the body. I'm gonna take advantage of the woodworking stuff. So I'm tying it into the channel here. Stick with me though, there's gonna be 2 videos here that might not be real, like woodworking, typical TLF Works types of videos. I didn't see a single video on the web, maybe I didn't look too well, but I didn't see a single video out there of an unboxing of this, so that's why I'm gonna do it here. I was curious about how this thing was packaged, what was inside of it, stuff like that, and so hopefully other people will come across this video and get the same thing out of it. So we're like part 1 of 3 or 4 videos here. I'll make this a brief interruption on the channel. I'm not gonna do this forever, but wish me luck learning to play the guitar and learning to, I'm gonna assemble a guitar kit and then customize a guitar kit, and I would really love to build my own guitars. So that's my goal. And those are woodworking things. Yeah, they're cross-platform, they're woodworking music things, but they're woodworking things. So let's get started. So I bought the Line 6 Spider V30 Mark II. It's a 30-watt amplifier with an 8-inch speaker in it, and it's what they call a modeling practice amp. So it models a bunch of different big real amplifiers, and it has a bunch of predefined special effects in it, if you will. It emulates different guitar pedals and sounds and stuff like that. And so there's a whole bunch of capabilities of this. You can find information on that somewhere else. We're just going to open this thing up. So it came boxed pretty well. You can see this is not a big amp. Let me go ahead and open it. Yeah, I always try to tell my kids and everybody, when in doubt, with a razor blade, cut away from yourself, right? These things can do pretty serious damage. And I always like to close it up before I set it down. Okay, so the first thing I'm noticing here is inside of the box, we have a box. I was thinking that this was maybe a little ugly. This is a better looking box. So as I'm learning to play the guitar, I'm going to be able to model anything I want with this, basically. If I can't do it with this, I probably shouldn't be trying to do it. And I did a lot of research online. This is not some amp that you're going to take to a studio and record with. And this is not some amp that you're going to take on the road and perform with, unless you're performing at Starbucks. So keep that in mind. It is a pretty box. On the outside of it, I am noticing there's a little issue right there, but hopefully that's no big deal. Power cord. It's wrapped in plastic in here, and I think I can get the handle of the amp, and I'm going to pull it out using the handle. There's also an important note here. Let's see what it says. By breaking this seal, you are agreeing to the terms of the user agreement license. I pulled it off before I read it. I don't think I agreed to anything. Looks like we have a warranty and a manual, gel pack, silica gel pack, and nothing else. So there's no patch cables, there's no cables to hook this up. You can hook this amp up to a computer or up to your iPhone or Android device. There's a lot of capabilities here. Let's see. Here's a good look at it. It's closed in the back. I don't know if you've noticed maybe before, a lot of guitar amplifiers have open backs where the speaker is exposed. But you have the power cable that'll go in right here. Here's the on and off switch. There's an external foot pedal that you can get for this. And then you can hook up your Mac PC or an Android phone or an iPad or an iPhone right here. And then there is some external software that you can use to control the modeling on here and create your own presets. And you can record directly to a computer or maybe an iPad with this amp. Not sure how that works. Just giving the amp a quick look over, and it looks like it's in good shape. I don't see any nicks, scratches, cuts, anything like that. I'm happy with what I see. I can't wait to plug this thing in and try it. Of course, I need to build a guitar first. So I have a guitar. It's in a box. It's in pieces in a box. And it's basically a Fender Telecaster replica. So the next guitar video will be unboxing that and assembling it so we can see if it plays. I hope you stick around. I thank you very much for watching the video. If you like my videos, I hope you'll hit subscribe. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up and maybe share it, because that gives me a lot more traffic to my channel. And when you subscribe, if you click that notification bell, you'll get notified when I post additional videos. And some of those videos will have this amp in it. Most of them won't, though. I'm a woodworking channel. This is a side project. I'm videoing it because I like making YouTube videos. Thank you very much. I appreciate all your time, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.